Hello and welcome to this short test. We are going to use the Microsoft Teams, and I just want to share with you one of the latest features that we just opened for, and that is the Microsoft Whiteboard. So you press the normal present button here, and you'll just wait for a while, and then there it comes. So there is actually two different whiteboards in my system. There is this one down here, and then there's the Microsoft Whiteboard, which is the original Microsoft Whiteboard, but now working in Teams. So what you're able to do is that when you hit that button, Microsoft will start the whiteboard, and then you will be able to share the whiteboard during a Microsoft Teams session. In the meanwhile, let's show another thing. So we got on my mobile phone, we got the same Teams app, and it says there's already a meeting in progress. So I'm going to join that meeting. Since I'm in the same room, I'm not going to join with video and audio. I'm just going to join, just joining and see the presentation and everything that is shared. So now we got here the possibility to write directly in the whiteboard. So this is the agenda we're having for today. And we're going to go through these 3 steps. But the funny thing is now also I've got everything on my phone. So I'm also able to write back directly on my phone and even able to delete some of the things and say, no, we're going to start in the opposite directions. So that is pretty cool. So let me stop this whiteboard again and then use, I'm still on my mobile phone, so I'm going to use the mobile companion mode where I'm able to share. And I'm actually able to share my complete screen in Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to start broadcasting in 3, 2, 1, go. And there you go. So now I'm on my phone, broadcasting everything that is directly from my phone. So for instance, if I had a presentation, I could do this, or if I want to share a specific app, I can do this. I could even go into my pictures and this beautiful selfie that I just took before. For instance, if I want to share some of the screen dumps that I just made during this Ignite session. So for instance, I'm able to do quite fast presentation directly from my phone. So this is called Mobile Companion and it's pretty cool. So please check it out. That's so nice. See you. Bye.